In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Tasks with Google Calendar. This simple setup can transform the way you plan your day, helping you manage deadlines, keep track of priorities, and stay organized without juggling separate apps. So let's jump right in and make sure you're getting the most out of these powerful Google tools. To begin, open Google Calendar. Once the calendar loads, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different icons. The one you want is the small blue check mark inside a circle. That's the Google Task icon. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, the task panel will slide open on the right side. This panel is your main workspace for creating tasks, organizing lists, and syncing everything with your calendar. With the panel open, let's start by creating a new task. Click on Add a Task, type in a clear title, and if needed, add extra details so you know exactly what needs to be done. Being specific helps prevent confusion later, especially if you manage a lot of different commitments. Once your task is named, the next step is assigning a date. Click on the small calendar icon under your task. Here, you can choose a due date and even assign a specific time. This is what links the task to your Google Calendar so it shows up visually alongside your events and appointments. After selecting the date and time, click Done. Your task is now saved and fully integrated. If you switch back to your calendar grid, you'll notice your task appearing on the exact day you scheduled it. This visual reminder makes it much easier to keep your responsibilities in order. Instead of memorizing everything, your calendar becomes a clear map of what needs attention throughout the week. Another great feature of Google Tasks is the ability to create multiple lists. Within the task panel, you can switch between lists or create new ones for different categories such as work, personal goals, school assignments, shopping lists, or long-term projects. This separation keeps your tasks organized and helps prevent your main list from becoming overwhelming. Many users find that organizing tasks into lists dramatically improves productivity because each group of tasks becomes more manageable. If you ever want to check your tasks outside of Google Calendar, you can do that too. Just go to task.google.com. This page shows all your task lists exactly as they appear in the calendar's side panel. You can edit tasks, adjust deadlines, or create new ones, and everything syncs instantly across devices. This integration works flawlessly, whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone. So if you update a task on your mobile device while you're out, it will automatically appear on your Google Calendar when you get back to your computer. And there you have it, a complete guide to integrating Google Tasks with Google Calendar. By using these tools together, you'll stay more organized, save time, and keep your daily routine running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay productive and in control of your schedule.